What was the message Anya was trying to convey when she mentioned her friend with breast cancer and what happened to this lady? Number 4, what was Anila trying to convey in that? When she talked about the breast cancer and when she talked about what happened, she was just immediately. She had a deja vu or daydream or day vision, and people have that. That is really because it's a memory from another life. She was a soldier in the Crusades wearing a mail, steel leather, steel protection. And she had a spear, and she caught the enemy, and she had a spear at the heart of that soldier, and the soldier pleaded with her, or him at that time, and with the eyes, please, please, and she had a choice to do or not do. And she thrust the spear in the heart. The minute she did that, immediately she had pain in her breast. Because people ask, why this life? I have so many problems, I'm good, what? When they don't understand karma, they blame, they become depressed. Yeah. When Buddha was walking and he was with his disciples and he came upon a corpse, what did Anila say happened to that person in relations to karma according to what Buddha said? That person was impressed with the Buddha, wanted to become ordained. The wife stopped him. He comes from a very wealthy family. And eventually how he ended up a corpse on the street, a wastrel, a drunk, is because his wife stopped him from doing something good. She felt he should take care of responsibilities. And what happened? He instead turned to gambling, which led to drinking, and he spent all his money. Nowhere to go. He lived outside, and he died. So when people came up and they went, ew, ooh, blah, 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 Buddha explained the karma of that person. And Buddha said, if he had become ordained, not the potential, if he had become ordained, he would have been an arhat, one who is liberated from suffering in this life. But he took the other choice. That's why sometimes you're told, or your Lama tells you, make the right choice. You will suffer the consequences later. Do not look at the moment. Make the right choice. Karma is not fatalistic. It can be changed if you make the right choice and work toward. Making the choice and not working toward? No. Working toward and pushing. Make the right choice. It's a teaching about karma. That's why I relate these to you. It's very simple. If you remember the story, you can connect it. Very easy. And for you to remember karma that way, much easier. Much easier.